Welcome to Melt&Pour soap series at Terra Naturals. Our customers Melt&Pour soap orders. Each soap is handcrafted with care, used pure and natural ingredients. All soaps are customizable and artistic. Today in this video, let us explore chunky soaps. Chunky Melt&Pour soap is made by embedding small soap pieces into a melted base, creating a colorful and textured design. This method allows for endless creativity with colors, shapes, and textures, making each bar unique. It is also an excellent way to repurpose soap scraps, reducing waste while adding a decorative touch to handmade soaps. Double boil your favorite base. Add scrapped soap pieces into the mold. Any decorative items like flowers, etc., and add the soap base. Spray rubbing alcohol to avoid the bubbles. Place the chopped soap pieces like this into the mold and add the soap base. I achieved a great look with the chunky pieces, adding a fun and textured effect. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.